Dino Falcon Pigeons with the third part of this video. So, we are gonna be looking inside of this. Gotta fix it up so it goes back in there, so we can drive it back again. That was working. Alright. So, bugs everywhere. I just killed a bug. Yeah, it's on. Beeping. Okay. This is their case. It flips over in the water and we can't get it.
And then we get
You gotta
the
take the kayak out.
out.
Well, we are waiting. Alright, we're gonna get a nice close-up over here of this beautiful boat.
You want something interesting, don't you? We just met him a few minutes ago.
Look at the color of it
Oh my gosh.
compared to it.
It's way different.
I know, because it's an aqua color. Alright, here we are. He's ready to drive it. Whoa! Woo!
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I gotta get these vines in, so I'm getting on the turbo here. Show them how I do the turbo. So I do this. And what's up? It keeps on going. That's how fast. I have to adjust it. Okay, now.
Wow.
Okay, the turbo's still on, but it's on a little bit. See how the boat's moving? I like to do this. It looks so cool.
Yeah, I know. Wheelies. Whoa! Whoa.
Back up too. Until it goes like that.
Whoa.
I videotaped me flipping it before. That was that one video. Okay, I'm going to show them the water coming out. Because you can see the water coming out of the bind plug. I'll show you what that is. Ready? See that water coming out right there?
Yeah.
That's how it cools down the motor. And this is the Miss Geico 29 V3. Miss Geico 29 V3.
This thing had to cost like $300.
No, way more.
Oh my gosh, way more than 300? Holy cow.
Probably 900 all said and done.
That is crazy.
1,000 almost. Well, the batteries are $100 a piece. And I have 4 batteries. That's already